The Prophet visits the sick slave. Authentic story. It was a peaceful day in Medina. Sunlight softly touched the streets, and life moved quietly. During this time, a young Jewish slave fell seriously ill. He lay weak on his bed, with no one around to care for him. When this news reached the Prophet Muhammad, he immediately said that they should go to visit him. Sahih Bukhari, 1356. The boy was neither a Muslim nor an important figure in society, yet the Prophet went to his home simply because he was a sick human being. The companions were with him, amazed at the compassion of Allah's messenger, visiting a non-Muslim slave with such gentleness and care. The Prophet sat beside the boy's head. When the young man opened his eyes and saw the messenger of Allah sitting next to him, his face brightened. He could never have imagined that Muhammad, the beloved of all, would sit by his sickbed. With the softest, most loving tone, the Prophet said to him, "Accept Islam." The boy looked toward his father who was standing nearby, as if seeking permission. His father told him, "Obey Abu al-Qasim." The Prophet, touched by the kindness and mercy shown to him, the young man accepted Islam at that very moment. When the Prophet left the house, he was filled with joy and said, "All praise is for Allah, who saved him from the fire." Sahih Bukhari. This was the kind of compassion that changed hearts. The Prophet never judged anyone by their status, religion, or tribe. He was a mercy for all people, and through his gentleness, he transformed the life and afterlife of this young man.